Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into both accounts. Use your primary Steam and Xbox Live credentials. Once signed in, make sure Steam Guard is active and two-step verification is enabled on your Xbox account. These protect the link and prevent errors. Keep your PC or console visible so you can accept prompts and verify your connection is stable. Slow networks cause timeouts. Next, open Steam settings and get ready to access the controller and remote play options to start the linking flow. You now perform the actual link. In Steam, navigate to the exact settings area for adding an account. This will initiate an OAuth flow to Xbox Live. When prompted, sign into Xbox using the same Microsoft account and accept the permissions Steam requests. That's how Steam obtains entitlement to communicate with Xbox Live. Once a verification code appears, type it into Steam immediately because codes expire. If you see a prompt on your console, accept it. Those confirmations finalize the handshake between the two services. You finish by confirming the link in Steam's account area and in Xbox settings. Make sure entitlements and cloud save access appear enabled. Then test by launching a supported game, verify crossplay or remote functionality, and that achievements or saves sync. If something fails, revoke the authorization and repeat the OAuth flow. Often stale tokens or mismatched system time cause issues, so check your device clock and temporarily disable VPNs. If problems persist, reboot both devices and retry the linking steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.